Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hi everyone. I'm PS Chatterjee, and I'm excited to have you join me again for another Excel adventure. Title of today's video: Clean up your Excel data. The power of clean, trim, and substitute functions explained. Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll unlock the secrets to making your data flawless. If you're tired of dealing with messy text, strange spaces, or unwanted characters in your Excel sheets, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 essential functions: clean, trim, and substitute. These powerful tools can help you quickly and easily clean up and refine your data, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether you're working in finance, project management, data analytics, or even just organizing your personal spreadsheets, mastering these functions will take your data processing skills to the next level. Let's explore how each of these functions works and the exact situations where they can be lifesavers for your workflow. Now the question is where we can use these functions. Clean removes non-printable characters from text. Perfect for cleaning up data from external sources like databases, CRMs, or any imported data files that might bring in hidden symbols. Trim eliminates extra spaces from text, leaving only single spaces between words. This is particularly useful when working with datasets that need to be standardized, such as lists of names or addresses, especially in reporting or presentation formatting. Substitute replaces specified characters or text with something new. Ideal for modifying data formats, changing separators in phone numbers, or updating any repetitive text patterns. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips that can simplify your work. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or requests for future videos. Welcome to this quick tutorial on the Excel function, trim. In this example, we're looking at the syntax for trim, which you can see here in cell A2. The syntax is equals trim, B, where B represents the cell reference containing the text we want to clean up. Now, let's look at cell B3. In this cell, we have the text, "Hello, world." Notice how the quotation marks around this text are far apart from each other, with lots of unnecessary spaces on both sides. This extra spacing is not only impractical, it can even look a bit funny. So, let's remove those extra spaces with the trim function. In cell B4, I'm going to type equals trim, B3. And there we have it. In cell B4, you'll see that all the excess spaces are gone, leaving just a single space between the words. Now the text looks clean, tidy, and ready for use. That's the power of trim, a simple yet effective tool for removing unwanted spaces. Now, I'm going to demonstrate the clean function in Excel. Here, we have the syntax for clean, which is equals clean, B. In this formula, B represents the cell reference containing the data you want to clean up. Let's look at the examples in our table. In the data column, we have several entries with special characters or symbols that might be unnecessary. For instance, in cell B4, we have "what is this?" but it includes invisible characters that could cause issues when working with text. To clean up this entry, I'll enter equals clean, B4, in cell C4. The clean function removes any hidden, non-printable characters, leaving us with just the basic text. Similarly, in cell B5, we have Excel copyright. After applying equals clean, B5, in cell C5, we're left with a version of the text that has removed any unwanted special characters, making it cleaner and more readable. The same goes for the other cells. In B6, we have data $%, and after using equals clean, B6, in C6, the non-printable elements are removed, giving us clean, usable data. Here, all the text in cells B4 to B6 are actually printable characters, so we don't see any difference in the results. Finally, in cell B7, there's a good, which includes a symbol resembling a triangle. This triangle-like symbol is non-printable, and after applying clean, it is replaced by a semicolon. The clean function is especially useful for removing hidden symbols or control characters from imported data, ensuring that your text is clean and ready for analysis. So, use clean to tidy up your text in Excel. Now, we'll dive into a powerful function called substitute. This function allows you to replace specific text within a cell with another text. Let's break down the syntax: substitute, text, old_text, new_text, instance_number. Text, the text you want to modify. This can be a reference to a cell or a text string. Old_text, the text you want to replace. New_text, the text you want to substitute in its place. Instance_number, optional if you want to replace only a specific occurrence of the old text, you can specify the instance number here. If omitted, all occurrences will be replaced. Let's look at some examples. In cell B4, we have what is this. To remove the exclamation mark, we would use equals substitute, B4. In cell B5, we have Excel with trademarks. To remove the registered trademark symbol, we would use equals substitute, B5, symbol. In cell B6, we have data $%. To replace the double dollar signs with a single %, we would use equals substitute, B6, $. Finally, in cell B7, we have a good and a triangle. We already know that this triangle will be replaced by a semicolon. Now we don't want the semicolon at the end of this text, a good. To remove this triangle, we would use equals substitute, B7, semicolon within quotation marks, comma, blank quotation marks. Remember, substitute is a versatile function that can be used in various ways to manipulate text within your Excel spreadsheets. Now, let's dive into using the clean and substitute functions together in Excel. Here's the syntax we're using: equals substitute, clean, x, text, text. In this formula, x represents the cell reference containing the data we want to clean and modify. Clean will remove any hidden or non-printable characters, and substitute will replace specific text within that cleaned data. Let's go over the examples in our table. In cell B4, we have the text "What is this?" To remove any hidden characters and replace certain symbols, I'll use equals substitute, clean, B4, in cell C4. Here, clean takes care of any non-printable characters, while substitute removes the exclamation mark. This leaves us with clean, readable text. What is this? In cell B5, we have $data $%. By entering equals substitute, clean, B5, $, in cell C5, we first remove any hidden characters with clean, and then use substitute to eliminate the dollar signs. This results in just data, without any extra symbols. Lastly, in cell B6, we have a good, followed by a triangle symbol. We'll enter equals substitute, clean, B6, in cell C6. Clean removes non-printable characters, and substitute replaces the triangle symbol with a semicolon, giving us a good. The combined use of clean and substitute is especially powerful when you want to both remove hidden characters and replace specific symbols or text in one step, making your data cleaner and more consistent. So, use clean to tidy up hidden characters, and pair it with substitute to target specific symbols or text within your data in Excel. As we wrap up this tutorial, let's take a look at how to use the clean function along with multiple substitute functions to refine complex data in Excel. The syntax for this combination is equals substitute, clean, b, text underscore 1a, text underscore 1b, text underscore 2a, text underscore 2b. Here, B represents the cell reference containing the data we want to clean and modify. The clean function first removes any non-printable characters, and then each substitute function replaces specific parts of the text as needed. Let's see how this works with an example. In cell B4, we have the entry $data, which contains symbols and text that we want to clean up and modify. By entering equals substitute, clean, B4, $01, dot. In cell C4, the formula first removes any non-printable characters using clean. Then, the first substitute replaces the $$ with 01, and the second substitute changes the semicolon to a period. In Excel, when we use double quotation marks with nothing between them, it indicates that we don't want to print anything in that space, effectively removing unwanted text without leaving any gaps. The result is 01 data. In cell C4, a cleaned and customized version of the original text. Using clean along with multiple substitute functions allows you to efficiently remove unwanted characters and replace specific text segments within a single formula. This method is especially useful for cleaning up messy or imported data, giving you clean, ready-to-use text. And that concludes our demonstration of the clean, trim and substitute functions in Excel. Use these tools to simplify and enhance your data cleaning process. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to explore the full capabilities of Excel to make your work easier and more efficient. Since you've watched this video to the end, I know you've already subscribed. But just in case, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips that can simplify your work. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or requests for future videos. Thank you, and happy cleaning.